Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create metal with SUNO AI. For hard-hitting tracks that feel cinematic and intense, SUNO can absolutely deliver when you focus on the right building blocks. Heavy guitar riffs, aggressive drums, intense vocals, a dark atmosphere, and energetic production. The key is not just typing metal and hoping for the best, but giving SUNO enough direction so it understands the weight, energy, and emotion you're going for. It shines across metalcore, heavy metal, melodic metal, cinematic metal, and even modern gent-style sounds, so you can dial in the exact flavor you're after. This means you can create something that feels classic and powerful, modern and aggressive, emotional and melodic, or huge and trailer-like, depending on how you guide the prompt. Start by heading to SUNO AI. Log in, then click Create. Switch to Advanced mode so you have more precise control over style and production details. Advanced mode is where your choices really shape the final sound, letting you guide the guitars, drums, and vocals toward a heavier, more polished result. This is especially important for metal, because small details like drum intensity, vocal style, and guitar tone can completely change the final track. Next, pick your metal style. Each genre drives the mood and pacing differently. Heavy metal leans into classic power and anthemic choruses. Metalcore blends crushing breakdowns with modern punch and screaming vocals. Melodic metal balances aggression with memorable leads and harmonies. Thrash metal is fast, tight, and relentless, great for high-energy riffing. Cinematic metal layers orchestral or atmospheric elements for a larger-than-life feel. Choose the one that matches the emotion and intensity you want. For example, use metalcore for a modern, aggressive sound, melodic metal for emotional hooks, or cinematic metal when you want something dramatic and epic. Now, add metal production keywords to shape the mix and arrangement. Useful terms include distorted guitars, double kick drums, breakdown, screaming vocals, heavy riffs, aggressive energy, dark atmosphere, and epic chorus. Combine them into a concise direction, like modern metalcore, heavy distorted guitars, breakdown section, screaming vocals, cinematic atmosphere. Powerful, clear, punchy phrasing helps SUNO lock onto the vibe you have in mind. You can also add words like tight drums, massive chorus, intense intro, low-tuned guitars, or dramatic build-up to make the track feel more specific and controlled. Lyrics are optional, but they can make your track more cohesive. Metal lyrics often explore struggle, emotion, darkness, power, and rebellion. Structured lyrics help SUNO arrange the song better, so consider simple sections like verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and a breakdown. Keep lines concise and rhythmic to support tight phrasing and impactful delivery. For stronger results, make your chorus easy to repeat and your breakdown section short, direct, and intense, because those moments usually carry the most impact in metal tracks. When you're ready, click Create. SUNO will generate two versions of your song, often with different guitar riffs and vocal approaches. Listen to both all the way through. Pay attention to which one delivers the strongest riffs, the best overall energy, and the most powerful chorus. Notice how the drums drive the groove, whether the breakdown hits hard, and how the vocals sit in the mix. Pick the version that feels cohesive and intense from start to finish, and you'll have a metal track that translates well on speakers and headphones alike. From there, you can keep refining the prompt, adjust the style words, or regenerate until the track matches the sound you had in mind.
Yeah!